Will the officer please open the courtroom for the morning session?
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Miriam Martin Clark is presiding. While court is in session, there's no eating, drinking, smoking. Please adhere to proper courtroom decorum at all times. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. The court is calling case number SP 106-97161. Abdul Aziz Kafida, or Kafida is the first name, Abdul Aziz, and the charge is driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Court is also calling count 2 of that same ticket, same defendant, no insurance, and count 3 of that same ticket is improper plates. If Kafida Abdul Aziz is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Kafida Abdul Aziz.
Thank you so much. The court is calling Tiffany Allen, case number SP 9971431. Tiffany Christine Allen, and the charge is driver's license suspended. Also 184427061, same defendant, no operator's license on person. If Tiffany Allen is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. Tiffany Allen, please unmute yourself and say your name for the record. Is Tiffany Allen in the virtual courtroom? Did we lose Miss Allen?
No, Your Honor, she just
she's muted?
She's muted.
Miss Allen, can you hear her? She's connected by audio only.
Yes. Miss Allen, star 6
Okay.
to unmute your phone. Star 6.
Okay, we're going to skip Miss Allen for now, but the screen does show that she is present in the courtroom. I need her to acknowledge though that she. All right, Miss Allen, thank you. Thank you so much. All right, court is also calling Fred Arnold. Fred Arnold, case number 207094321. The charge is driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also for Mr. Arnold, count 2 of that same ticket is driver's license expired, and count 3 of the same ticket, no insurance. Is Fred Bertel Arnold in the virtual courtroom? If so, please say your name for the record.
He's muted as well, Your Honor. Mr. Arnold, star 6. Unmute your device. Star 6.
Okay. We're going to continue, and the record should reflect that Mr. Arnold is on the virtual screen, but he's connected by audio only. This is the problem. When you're connected by audio only, I don't know that you hear me, and I don't know that you are actually in the courtroom unless I get your response. So hopefully, before the end of this hearing, you will be able to respond to me, because that creates a problem for our record. All right, the court is calling Kawanda Latoya Irvin, case number SP 3859551. Driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, improper license, count 3 of that same ticket, no insurance. Also SP 5095011, same defendant, driver's license suspended. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance. Also 145469021, same defendant, license improper. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance. Also 184381021, same defendant, driver's license expired. And count 2, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. All right, for Kawanda Irving, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 matters. Is Kawanda Irving in the virtual courtroom? If so, please say your name for the record.
Kawanda Irvin.
All right, Ms. Irving, thank you. And the court is calling Lawrence Taylor, case number SP 4700921. Lawrence Taylor, the charge is improper license. If Lawrence Taylor is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Lawrence Taylor.
Thank you, Mr. Taylor. Court is calling Nathaniel Thomas, U558292220. Nathaniel Thomas, and the charge is alcohol-related violation. Also, U849-45012, same defendant. No vendor's license, no vendor's license. If Mr. Nathaniel Taylor is in the virtual court, or Nathaniel Thomas, I'm sorry. If Mr. Nathaniel Thomas is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. Nathaniel Thomas. Is Nathaniel Thomas in the virtual courtroom? Okay. Say your name again, sir.
Nathaniel Thomas.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, you're connected with your audio only. Are you able to connect with video, sir?
Trying to figure that out. I'm not really,
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who are able to, I need, when you come back for your pretrial, to try to connect on a device that gives you video availability. I need you to learn either the device you have, how to operate it, so that you can connect visually or see whether you can borrow or access a smartphone or computer that allows you to connect with video. Okay, Mr. Thomas, did you hear the charge against you, sir?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right. The court is calling Dion Thompson, 162-830311. Dion Antonio Thompson.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Thank you, sir. No operator's license on person. Mr. Thompson, would you say your name for me, please?
Dion Antonio Thompson, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Is there Chavez Todd? Chavez Brielle Todd in the courtroom? Case number SP 107-91041. Allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Chavez Brielle Todd. Okay. Case number U311-72516. Frank Romel Turner. Violation of marijuana ordinance. Also 124-778-961. Same defendant, no operator's license on person. And 162-987-241. No operator's license on person. If Mr. Frank Romel Turner is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. Frank Turner. Is Frank Turner in the courtroom? I see him on the screen. Mr. Turner, you, sir, can you say your name for the record? Unmute yourself. Can't hear you. Mr. Turner. I need you to unmute yourself. All right.
Your Honor, he was having trouble with his audio this morning.
Okay. I don't know what just happened to my screen. All right.
Because he couldn't hear us.
Okay. Mr. Cleveland Lee Turner, you were locked out, and I see that you have joined the hearing room. So your case number, Mr. Cleveland Turner, is SP 108-27982. And the charge is open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Mr. Cleveland Turner, please say your name for the record.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I placed him back into the waiting room because he's here for sentencing.
Oh, Mr. Cleveland Turner is? Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Okay. You're right. All right. Is there anyone who is in the virtual courtroom at this time whose name was not called? Anyone whose name was not called?
My name wasn't called.
And with who is that?
Tequila Thomas.
Tequila Thomas?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Thomas, let me see. I see it. Okay, thank you, Ms. Thomas. Case number SP 966-2361. Tequila Thomas, and the charge is leaving the scene of a property damage accident. Ms. Tequila Thomas, please say your name again for the record.
Tequila Thomas.
All right, thank you. Is there anyone else whose name was not called this morning? Mr. Frank Turner, your name was called and your charges, but I didn't hear you respond. Would you like to respond now, Mr. Frank Turner? Say your name, sir, for the record, if you can. Mr. Frank Turner. Okay, Mr. Turner still is not able to unmute. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you need some practice.
Your Honor.
We're gonna have to get you on some lessons from YouTube or somewhere.
Your Honor, did you call Monet Torbert?
No, Monet Torbert. Let me see. I don't see Miss Torbert on here. Oh, yes, I do. Okay. Monet Torbert, case number 207108041. Monet Torbert, and the charge is driver's license suspended. Torbert?
Monet Torbert.
Pardon?
Monet Torbert.
All right. Ms. Torbert, you're connected with audio only. Are you able to connect with your video? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you need to go to the YouTube channel or to your niece or nephew who's in elementary school and get them to give you some lessons. You can do this. I know you can. It just takes a little practice. So please be able to connect with your video if your device will allow it when you come back. All right, who's representing these persons for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore, P80581 on behalf of the defendants.
Thank you. And how do you wish to proceed, Mr. Fillmore?
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, the defendants collectively stand mute.
All right, the court will enter not guilty plea for each of you. And we will give each of you a pretrial date on which to come back, and that pretrial date is June 15, 2021 at 9 a.m. And when you come back, you will have learned how to unmute yourselves And you will have learned how to turn on your video. That's your homework assignment.
Yes,
So learn that video as well as the mute button. Each of you is being given a personal bond. That means you do not have to pay any money, but you must return on June 15 at 9 a.m. And you're going to bring with you any documentation that you may have that will assist the prosecutor in giving you the best available offer. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for the arraignment.